Are you tired of sifting through countless charts and indicators, trying to find the perfect setup for your trades? Are you tired of using clunky and outdated trading platforms that just don't seem to cut it? Look no further, because we have the solution for you. Introducing the NinjaTrader 8 platform, the ultimate tool for serious traders. With NinjaTrader 8, you'll have access to all the tools and features you need to take your trading to the next level. From custom indicators to advanced charting, this platform has it all. And the best part? It's incredibly user-friendly and customizable, so you can tailor it to your specific trading style and needs. But that's not all. NinjaTrader 8 also offers a wide range of free indicators that you can use to enhance your trading. These indicators are designed by professional traders and are proven to be effective in identifying profitable trades. Imagine having access to the same tools and strategies that the pros use, without having to pay a dime. But don't just take our word for it. Watch our video and see for yourself how NinjaTrader 8 can help you become a successful trader. See how easy it is to navigate the platform, and how the free indicators can give you an edge in the markets. And as a special bonus, we're giving away even more free indicators when you download them from the best site for traders. That's right, you'll have access to even more powerful trading tools, completely free of charge. So don't wait, click the link in the description now to get your free indicators and start dominating the markets with NinjaTrader 8. Don't let clunky and outdated trading platforms hold you back any longer. Upgrade to NinjaTrader 8 and start seeing real results. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your trading to the next level. Click the link in the description now to download your free indicators and start using NinjaTrader 8 today. Remember, the markets wait for no one, so take action now and start seeing real results.